A friend of mine recently asked me, is it possible to create a caricature using Canva? So this is going to be an answer to him. I am on canva.com and I recently got access to Canva AI. So here is how you can create a caricature using Canva AI. I don't know if you can do it without Canva AI or not, but Canva AI is making things possible. For that, you just need to click on create an image. When you click on create an image, you are able to select the style, aspect ratio. And when you select the style, you get the option to select vector and pop art. Here you can see vector, which is pretty much like caricature. So let's select vector. And after that, let's select aspect ratio. From here you can select any aspect ratio you want. So I'm going to select 1:1 for social media. Now after that, you can simply type here the prompt, or you can use the mic to give it the prompt by your voice. So I'm going to use the voice command. So let's click on this microphone and give it the prompt. Hey, I have a Pomeranian dog. I want you to create a caricature of him which is very funny and that I can use on social media. So I have given it the prompt and Canva has automatically fixed the errors that may have occurred while I was speaking. So now I just need to click on this button and let it generate the caricature. Let's see. Alright, it has created the caricature for me. So the prompt was, hey, I have a Canadian, okay. So it said Canadian dog. It did not understand my language. I said Pomeranian, but yes, it did get the job done. The caricature is here. And now let's try once more, keeping the same things. Or let's select pop art. And this time let's write it out here. So here's my prompt. I need you to create a caricature of a Pomeranian dog, funny and interesting. I need to share it on social media. So let's see what it does. Okay, here it is. It has created the caricature in pop art. I can use it on social media, of course. Let's give the same instructions, but this time let's select vector again. Okay, so this time we have selected vector and have given the same prompt. Let's see what we get. And one more thing worth noting here is, with the Canva AI you get credits. For each image generated you need to spend some credits. So keep that in mind as. So here is the caricature which I like the most, and it has successfully created it. This one is also pretty good. This is also funny. So I can simply go ahead and download them by clicking here and share wherever I want. So it has created me the caricature I wanted. I can also click on it and edit with the design and use it anywhere I want. So this is how you can create caricature using Canva. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll answer all your questions. Thank you.